Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of Spanish reflexive pronouns. Let's make this fun and easy to remember. I'm Carlos from JCAB Tutoring, and if you're anything like me, you love the challenge of learning a new language. But let's be real, grammar can sometimes feel like a battlefield. Don't worry, we're in this together. Think of reflexive pronouns as the selfies of grammar. They reflect back on the subject of the sentence. They might seem a little tricky at first, but once you get the hang of them, you'll be speaking and writing Spanish with more confidence than ever. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. First up, we've got me, which is like saying to me or for myself. Imagine someone calling your phone, María me llama. Maria calls me. See how me acts like a little boomerang, coming right back to the subject? And it's not just about phone calls. Think about getting ready in the morning. Me cepillo el pelo. I brush my hair. Again, me emphasizes that the action is happening to me, myself, and I. Now let's talk about teh, which means to you or for yourself. It's like saying, hey, this involves you. For example, yo te veo. I see you. Te points directly at the person we're talking to. But hold on, there's more. Te isn't just about what others do to you. It can also be about what you do for yourself. Te lavas la cara. You wash your face. You're doing the action right back to yourself. Now meet se, the chameleon of reflexive pronouns. It can be used for him, her, it, or even usted. That might sound confusing, but think of it this way. Se steps in when the action is reflected back on a third party. For example, Juan se lava la cara. Juan washes his face. Se here indicates that Juan is doing the action to himself. It's like se is saying, look, someone's taking care of business, and that someone is Juan. Let's talk about nos, the teamwork pronoun. It means to us or for ourselves when we're talking about a group that includes, you guessed it, us. For example, nos lavamos las manos. We wash our hands. Nos brings everyone together, emphasizing that the action is happening to all of us. It's like a big group hug of grammar. We're all in this together, washing our hands and conquering Spanish grammar. Now let's meet os, the less famous sibling of nos. You'll mostly hear this one in Spain, and it means to you all or for yourselves. It's like saying y'all, but with a Spanish twist. Imagine you're in a bustling plaza in Madrid, and you want to tell your friends to check out a street performance. You could say, os vais a divertir mucho. You all are going to have so much fun. See how os emphasizes that the fun is all about them? Time to meet le, the go-to pronoun for indirect objects. Now, before you jump out the window, remember how we said reflexive pronouns are like boomerangs? Well, le is like that friend who catches the boomerang and throws it right back. Let's break it down. Juan le escribe una carta. Juan writes him or her a letter. Here, le stands in for the person Juan is writing to. It's like saying, Juan's writing a letter, and guess what? It's for this person over here. Last but not least, we have les, the plural form of le. It means to them or for themselves when referring to a group of people. Think of it as the le that likes to share. For example, les damos las gracias. We thank them. Les swoops in to represent the group we're thanking. It's like saying, we're sending out a big thank you, and it's going straight to this awesome group of people. Now it's your turn. Let JCAB Tutoring help you and see how well you can use these reflexive pronouns. Buena suerte. Good luck. Remember, learning a language takes time and practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow. Keep practicing. Stay curious, and before you know it, you'll be speaking Spanish with the confidence of a true wordsmith. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Hasta luego!